Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. Today we are going to talk about something very useful if you want to build a website, and this topic is WordPress versus Webflow. And this video is like a big website platform battle. If you are new to website and you don't know which one is better for you, don't worry, I will explain everything in simple words so you can understand easily. But before we start, just a quick reminder, if you check the special link in the description, you can get some extra benefit like free trial and discounts on these platforms. So after watching this video, don't forget to check the description. Alright, so let's get started. First, let's understand what these two platforms are. WordPress is the most popular website builder in the world. It has been around for many years and millions of websites are built with it. Webflow is a newer platform, but in this time this is growing very fast. Webflow is made for people who want to design website without coding but still want very modern and creative websites. So WordPress is more traditional and Webflow is more modern. And now let's compare them step by step. Let's start with the design and customization. Webflow is amazing when we talk about design. You can move things around, you can see changes live, and you can create a website that looks very modern. It feels like you are designing in Photoshop or Figma, but the result is a real website. WordPress is also gives you design freedom, but most of the time you use themes or plugins. Of course, you can customize them, but for beginners, sometimes it feels a little bit harder. So if design is very important for you, Webflow feels more simple and more powerful. Next, let's talk about ease of use. WordPress can be little bit confusing if you are new. You need to install plugin, choose a theme, and sometimes fix problem by yourself. It is very flexible, but also you need to learn more things. Webflow is more easier and you don't need to install extra plugin for a basic feature. Everything is already built inside. You can just drag and drop and adjust the thing. So for beginners, Webflow feels more friendly. Now let's move to the pricing. This part is very important. WordPress itself is free, but you have to pay for hosting, themes and plugins. Sometimes it can look cheap at the start, but later you may spend more if you need many extra features. Webflow has a monthly price and it may look a little expensive at first, but you already get hosting, security and design tools inside the price. So if you are starting small, WordPress may be cheaper, but if you want everything included and no extra headache, then Webflow may be the better deal. Now let's talk about the scalability. WordPress has a very big community. You can find tutorials, free plugin and support everywhere on the internet. It has been here for more than 20 years. So the ecosystem is huge and Webflow is smaller, but it's growing. So this time more agencies, freelancers and businesses are moving to Webflow. But still, if you want the biggest support and biggest community, WordPress wins this part. Finally, let's talk about who should use which one. So if you are a beginner who wants a simple and beautiful website quickly, Webflow is the better choice because it is modern, it is easy and it's all in one. But if you want full control, you want thousands of plugins and you want to build a very big or complex website, then WordPress is still the king. So the ultimate battle result is WordPress is powerful and flexible, but it can be harder for beginner, and Webflow is modern and it's easy, but it can be more expensive. At the end, it really depends on what you need and how much time you want to spend to learning. And that was the video for today. I hope this video helped you. If this did, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.